and welcome back to my channel. I'm Grace on Tour and I love to showcase the beautiful world that we live in. In this video, I will show you how I document my travels and save them in a good and fun way. But before we head out there, remember to like this video and subscribe. There are new travel videos every week and I really appreciate your support. But for now, let's head out there. During these times when travel is not as accessible and easy as before, it is the perfect time to sit down and go through all of your travels and put it in one place and document it to have somewhere where you can just easily look back on and have something that reminds you of all your travels. And this is creating a travel scrapbook. It might look something like this once you're finished, but it's just something really nice to have and look back on. Yeah, I'm going to show you how I create this and how you can do it yourself as well. The things that you need for creating a travel scrapbook is an empty book, a black thick pen, a normal pen, scissors, some travel pictures, any tickets or any receipt or anything from your travels. And if you have any local currency left from your travels, you can also use that. And a sticker book with all of the flags from the world, and it can just be nice to have any form of stickers to make the book more lively and exciting. It doesn't have to be flags, it can be anything that you like personally. The first thing that I do is I go through my travel pictures and I choose which ones that I want to have in the book, and I'll just get them printed so I have them there. And then what I do when I travel, when I come back from my travels, I put all of my receipts and tickets and local currency that I have left in like a big pouch like this, so I can just get it from here, any thing that I want to put in the book. As I'm making a page for every country that I've traveled to, some countries I visited when I was quite young, and what I've done is to go back in time and find memorabilia that I can put in the book. Here we can see the Vatican City. I write the name, the number of the page, the year I went to the country, I put in my flag, and add the pictures that I want to have with. I also found some local currency that I could add to the page. And next I'll be showing you how I create the page for a place where I recently traveled to. So I recently went to Cyprus, and of course I want to put this in my book. It was my 77th country, and yes, so what I first did was to write the name of the country, and then from my sticker book I put the flag. And then I collected my tickets and flight passes and stuff like that, put it here, and wrote the year where I was in the country, and the number of the countries that I've been to. So yeah, that was number 77. And just a little boat, because I went on a boat trip there. Printed some pictures from Cyprus here. So I will be cutting them and try to make it look nice. So we'll do that. When I found like a good layout of this, I'll go in with the tape. This is used in Cyprus, so I have 1 cent here that I'll put in here. So yeah, I'm really happy with this page because I got all of the elements that I like to keep in the book. And there, this page is finished. As you can see here, yeah, I have the name, the country flag, my pictures, tickets, currency, a little boat sticker, the year I was in the country, and the country number 77. And I'm going to make a video where I go through my scrapbooks and show you each country that I've been to and each country page. Let me know if you do anything like this yourself after watching this video, or as I said, how you document your travels. Remember to like this video and subscribe. I hope that you have a wonderful day wherever you are in the world, and I'll see you next time. Bye!